Chad with TOPDON with the brand new TOPDON 1 Plus. We're going to do a walkthrough of the different features and benefits of this tool. So we're going to start right here in Diagnostics. I'm going to use demo mode and go into our vehicle. So when you go into a car, you're going to scan automatic and you're going to read the VIN. Once you read the VIN, you're going to confirm it, and that will identify your car. On this one, we're going to be working on a Nissan Altima, and it is a 2024. We're going to go ahead and confirm that, and we're going to do an auto scan. When we do an auto scan, you're going to see that it's going to pop up with our system topology. System topology gives us the ability to see all the different networks, but also to scan that network and make sure that all of the modules are communicating the way they're supposed to. Green is good, red is bad, and if a module does not communicate, it's going to have it in gray. You'll notice that this Nissan Altima is not a four-wheel drive. Shocker. So we can also go in here and we can separate out the different networks. So right now, I'm only on the DOIP network. Or if you only want to scan that one network, you can do that as well. If you only want to scan the CAN FD or the high-speed CAN or low-speed CAN, you can do all that from that one screen. Once we go into a module, we're going to select on ECM. You're going to see the codes that are listed in that module. You have the ability to clear those codes specifically from that screen or to enter that system. We're going to go right into that system. Whenever we go in, you're going to see you have the ability to see data stream. Whenever we go into data stream, you're going to have a list of all the different modules and PIDs that you want to read. Let's say that we want to select our top 4. You'll notice that we can combine up to 4 different PIDs onto one graph. Whenever that graph is moving, you're going to have your live information here up at the top, but you're also going to have your graph down at the bottom. Whenever we grab that, we can actually move that cursor back to see our data at that specific point in time, and that will hold and show you all those different data PIDs whenever that bar graph goes across. If we want to add more data PIDs onto a graph, we can actually graph up to 12 at one time. So if we grab more, we can select that graph and we can graph up to 12 on one screen at a time. So pretty handy if you're trying to look at multiple different data parameters all at the same time. We're going to jump back in and we're going to check out and see what that code was all about. So we're going to go into read DTC. And you can see here we have an intake valve timing control bank 1 current code. Our snowflake is going to give us our freeze frame information. But let's say that we're stuck. We don't know what to do next. We have that P0011 code. We click on our little AI bot right there. That's going to be our top fix AI. You'll notice that it's automatically going to pull in our vehicle information and we can select scan. You can see from here that we're already getting our possible causes, our diagnostic steps, and we can have a conversation with the AI bot, asking it questions, telling it information, and letting it know what we've already checked. And we have over 1 million data point parameters within our TopFix AI to be able to specifically help you through automotive information. You can see here some prompted responses that you can use, or you can start asking questions and having that AI conversation to try and find your best solution. We'll go ahead and back out of our AI. All your code information is there. If you want to clear those DTCs, you can do that. But also we do have the ability to do our report. That report is going to allow us to build that pre-scan or post-scan report to be able to add pictures or images, to be able to present that to the customer to show them why we just charged them for a diagnostic fee. When you go back to your main function screen, you have your active tests, special functions. All that is going to be built right into the tool, and all of them are going to be specific to your vehicle. So a very brief and quick walkthrough of your brand new TOPDON 1 Plus. Make sure you go through, check it out, push buttons, and see what you can get into. I'm Chad from TOPDON. Make sure you check us out at topdon.us or at your local distributor.